Hey everyone, so in this video I will be sharing with you all what is couponing. So I hope you enjoy this video. So a lot of people want to know what is couponing. Couponing is matching an item to a coupon that's on sale or that's on clearance. Couponing is a strategy. It's not like you go to the store and go buy a newspaper and clip out coupons that you would like to use at the store. It doesn't work like that anymore in 2022. For instance, couponing is not writing a list, cutting out coupons that you want to use or that you think you want to use with a list and go to the store and pick up everything, whether it's on sale or not. Couponing, again, is a strategy. So, for instance, about 3 years ago, I used to go to ShopRite a lot. So, ShopRite always had Crest toothpaste on sale for $1.99. And P&G always had Crest toothpaste coupons for $2. If I went to the store to get Crest toothpaste for $1.99 and I had a $2 coupon, it'd be free plus ShopRite will owe me a penny. My rock bottom price for toothpaste is $0 for the simple fact is you can get toothpaste for free at a lot of stores. Here goes another example. If ShopRite had Colgate toothpaste on sale for $2.49 and Smart Source had a Colgate toothpaste coupon for $2, you could go to ShopRite with your coupon and get a Colgate toothpaste for 49 cents. Which is not a bad price, but will I go to ShopRite and get Colgate for 49 cents? Probably not, because that's not my rock bottom price. My rock bottom price is $0. But that's not a bad price because it's some people that's just starting off with couponing. So if you can get a toothpaste for $0 and if you need toothpaste, you better go and pay that 49 cents for toothpaste. I am going to just read off what I got in my notes and then in the video. So in my notes I have, what is couponing? Couponing is when you match up an item to a coupon and get a rock bottom price. Items that's on sale or on clearance. Couponing is not a list and using coupons and picking up items whether they are on sale or not. That's like couponing backwards. And I say that because couponing is a strategy. And when you get it, you get it. And here goes the example that I used. For example, in this toothpaste, my rock bottom price is free or a money maker. Stores like CVS, Walgreens, ShopRite, Family Dollar, Dollar General, they always have a sale cycle on toothpaste. So if you need toothpaste, you shouldn't have any problem with getting toothpaste free. During the summertime, every other week CVS had toothpaste on sale for free, and I posted on my Facebook page. to let people know, to help them out, for the people that really want to help, because sometimes, you know, people really don't want help. But that's a different story for a different day. So if ShopRite have Crest toothpaste on sale for $1.99 and P&G has a coupon for $2, then every time that sale come around, it will be free, and that's a rock bottom price. At the same store, they can have Colgate on sale for $2.49, and Smart Source has a coupon for $2. If I just need toothpaste, I could get, if I really need toothpaste, I could get the Colgate toothpaste for 49 cents. But if I don't need toothpaste and I know that ShopRite has the if I know ShopRite has Crest toothpaste for $1.99 and I got a $2 coupon, I will go for the free toothpaste versus the 49-cent toothpaste. And free is my rock bottom. So this is just a video on what is couponing, and I use ShopRite as an example. This can apply to other stores as well, because every store has sales cycles.